Welcome guys, my name is Jere and I'm Creative Director at Demola Global. In this video, we will be discussing about the ideation and prototyping phase. At this phase, you'll have 3 steps which forms a cycle that should be repeated multiple times until the end of the project. It might be a bit overkill to generalize that this is the only thing you need to do, but it gives you a good mental model what you should be doing. The cycle has 3 steps: design, build, and validate. And you start with design. Here you might generate ideas, plan processes, and create value propositions. All kind of preparations and plans fit into this step. Design is followed with a build step. Here you might visualize your ideas and build low-fidelity demos. Visualizing your ideas and building tangible demos is simply a tool towards next step, validation. You build to showcase your concept and test if your target user group values your idea as much as you do. It helps you a lot when you discuss with potential end users of your concept and you have something concrete to show. Tangible objects or visualizations stimulate discussion, and you will get much more out when discussing with your target groups. Don't be afraid to show your first visualizations, even you know those are not even close to perfect. And don't be afraid to build something concrete, even you haven't designed your concepts every detail. The point here in showing these low fidelity demos is to learn more about these people you are designing for. So the last step in this cycle is validation, that we discussed a bit already. Once you have built something concrete, go out and ask feedback. Try to reach relevant user groups. Those potential end users are of course important. And try also asking feedback from experts that might know and see something that average user can't point out. The point of validating your ideas is to know which idea you should be focusing on and learning from those users. The output of validation is to feed you with insights that could be utilized when you go back to designing your concept further. Remember that feedback telling you that some idea does not work is also important. Those ideas that do not fly for some reason narrows down the area of uncertainty, and then you know not to focus there. And remember to document all of these validation actions you carry out throughout the process. It gives you a reasoning base why you decided to focus on some certain solution and not some other. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below and I will get back to you.